Giraffe is designed as a mobile rewards app, and whether it works on an iPad depends on device compatibility, the app version available, and how the app handles iPad support. By the end, you'll know how to check if Giraffe works on your iPad, what to do if you cannot install it, and which settings can affect app compatibility. The first step is checking the App Store on your iPad. Search for Giraffe and look at whether the app is available for your device. The App Store automatically shows if an app is compatible with your iPad model and operating system. If Giraffe does not appear or cannot be installed, the reason may be related to device compatibility, software requirements, or app availability in your region. The App Store message usually gives the clearest explanation. If you already use Giraffe on another device, installing it on an iPad does not always mean your progress will transfer automatically. Check the account options inside the app and make sure you are using the correct login information. Another thing to check is your iPad software version. Open Settings, select General, then Software Update to see if your device is running the latest available version. Older operating systems may prevent some apps from installing or working correctly. The iPad screen size can make some mobile apps look different compared with a phone. App layouts may adjust depending on how the developer built the application for different devices. If Giraffe installs but does not work properly, start with basic troubleshooting. Close the app completely, restart your iPad, check your internet connection, and make sure the app is updated. You can also check the app permissions in your iPad settings. Some features may require specific permissions to function correctly, depending on how the app tracks activity. Keep in mind that app availability can change when developers release updates or modify device support. The App Store listing on your specific iPad provides the most accurate information. To summarize, check Giraffe availability in the App Store, confirm your iPad software is supported, and troubleshoot with updates and device settings if needed. Your next step is to open the App Store on your iPad and search for Giraffe to check compatibility. If this guide helped, subscribe for more app fixes, comparisons, and earning app guides.